Alright, so right now, this is the part 2 of the transmission moval video. I already removed it, now I'm moving it, so it's moval. So I'm using these, as you can see, these sheets of, what are these things called? OSB. That was left behind. Good thing I didn't burn this. I was thinking ahead, this is going to be garbage after this. But actually, I might just keep it for something temporarily. And I'm just, as you can see, I just move that one in front of that one. Then when the transmission is on that one, I put the one that's behind it in front of it. You just stick it in the lip underneath like that. And yeah, plywood works much better because this stuff breaks. Like the wheels will actually sink into it. Whereas plywood is a lot more strong. So, piece of plywood there. There's another one. But I don't have any long pieces of plywood, so this is working. So thankfully these wheels on this dolly are wide enough so that it doesn't sink very much into this OSB. But yeah, this is the game.